everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to bring to you another salmon recipe, but this time I'm going to stuff it with the delicious creamy spinach filling. And you probably have some of these ingredients in your refrigerator, so the next time you make salmon, you really have to make this recipe. But if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I do have a new channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. So if you can head on over there, subscribe, support, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I'm really excited making this stuffed salmon that's going to be loaded with a delicious cream cheese stuffing that's going to be seasoned with a lot of simple ingredients, perfect for any weeknight. But if you haven't seen my carbonara video from last week, I will leave a link in the description box, another easy recipe that you can make during the week. But first I'm going to start off by making the filling, and I'm going to start by rinsing out 2 cups of fresh spinach. Now once my spinach is rinsed, I'm just going to take my knife and begin giving it a rough chop. So dill goes really well with fish, especially salmon, so I'm just going to take some sprigs and chop around 2 tablespoons of some fresh dill. And no recipe is complete without garlic, so I'm going to take 2 large garlic cloves and give that a good chop as well. So I left my cream cheese out overnight because I want it to be soft so it'd be easier to mix. And I'm just going to take half of this cream cheese, add my spinach, and just grab a fork and just begin mixing everything together. Now it's time to add a lot of flavor. I'm going to go ahead and add the fresh dill, 1/3 cup of mozzarella cheese, and 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And now it's time to go ahead and add the chopped garlic and give it a good stir just to make sure all those ingredients are incorporated really well. And at the very end, I'm going to add some sea salt and some black pepper. And just give it another big stir and go ahead and set it to the side. Now I'm going to mix some seasonings together that I'm going to sprinkle over the salmon. And first I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic and onion powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. And go ahead and mix together. And not only is this great on salmon, but it's a great mixture if you want to make some chicken. It is absolutely delicious. Now this recipe normally serves 4, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to use 1 center cut salmon fillet. And now I'm just going to take a sharp knife and cut a pocket, and you definitely don't want to go all the way through. And I'm going pretty deep because I want to pack as much as I can of that cream cheese filling. And now I'm going to take a spoon and very gently I'm going to stuff the salmon fillet with the filling, and I'm going to be very generous. And as a side note, not only is this a great stuffing, but you can even use it as a spread. You can have it for toast or bagels in the morning for breakfast. And now I'm going to brush both sides with some melted butter. And now I'm going to cover both sides of the salmon with that delicious seasoning mix. Okay, so my salmon is ready to go and it smells amazing with all that seasoning even before I cook it. So I'm going to go ahead and head on over to the stove, and over medium-high heat I'm going to warm up 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. And I'm just going to gently lay it in the pan and let it sear between 3 to 4 minutes. And if your salmon still has the skin, let it cook skin side down first. And now I'm going to gently flip over my salmon, and I'm going to let this go for another 1 to 2 minutes. So I've already preheated the oven at 375 degrees, and I'm going to go ahead and let this bake between 7 and 8 minutes. I mean, how easy is that? You have a tender salmon on the outside and you have a spinach creamy cheese filling on the inside. And lemon goes so well with fish. Just a little squeeze of it, it just brightens it up and takes it to a whole other level. So like I said, you probably have these ingredients in your refrigerator right now, so the next time you make salmon, you definitely have to give it a try. But we're all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody that you know. Hype it up. There's a new feature here on YouTube that if you hype up a channel, it puts it in the algorithm. Follow me on my new channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. But wait, you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.